Welcome back. This is Epilogue Author Part 2. It's all about capturing and transferring your best practices easily and quickly. Here's the new account setup we recorded in Epilogue Author Part 1, with additional information and edits that took about 15 minutes to add. Remember, Epilogue Author uses Microsoft Word as our canvas for easy editing and enhancing. I'll start with a very useful feature called Step Viewer. It allows easy navigation through the document and actually helps identify steps that may need your review by highlighting them in yellow or red based on priority. In this case, there are none. The power of Epilogue Author is that it leverages Word's familiar features, enables more, like importing content, changing languages, inserting notes, and more. Let's do a quick and simple edit. In this case, I want to hyperlink this to a website. Word's native hyperlinking feature is all I need. Now let's do another edit. At this step, I'd like to add further clarification by adding a note. The note library has a number of note types you can use, or you can modify or create your own. Let's use a tip note. Now, rather than watch me type, I'll cut and paste from another document. Okay, now let's do another edit. This time, I want to change the font on this step to make it stand out more. I simply use Word's familiar commands. Simple as that. Okay, sometimes a note isn't sufficient. You want a more versatile way to communicate additional information or provide a more graphical way of presenting the information. Why not insert a PowerPoint slide or multiple slides? In this case, I just want one slide. There. That was easy. What if you like to edit the images? Crop them, add graphics, callouts, redact them, and so on. That's where Simulation Editor comes in. The Simulation Editor provides easy features for enhancing your simulation output, but it also enables quick and easy graphical editing with simple elements. Adding audio is simple. Click Record, say what you wish to say, then stop, and save. An audio icon appears on the step. And here's how easy it is to add some very basic graphic elements, like a colored arrow, for example. I'll just change the color. Okay, but since we already have one, I'll delete it. But why recreate the wheel? The image editor allows you to launch your favorite graphical editor. In my case, that's Snagit. I'll quickly redact a portion of the screen. My familiarity with Snagit makes this simple. Okay, now I'll add a jagged edge. And I'll quit out of Snagit, and I'm back to the Simulation Editor with the changes. Okay, now I'm going to crop. I want the image to be just the portion I want to see. And I'll close the Simulation Editor, and I'm back to Word and Epilogue Author. All output types will reflect the changes. You can preview simulations with just a click, as we showed in the Epilogue Author Part 1 video. No publishing needed to view. Makes reviewing and continued editing very easy. It's always a good idea to save your work. When you're done, it's time to publish the work and generate the wide variety of output types we'll be showing you in the Epilogue Advisor video. You can publish locally to Epilogue Publisher, which is best, or to a SharePoint workspace. There's a lot more that can be done, and we'd like to show you. Please view our other videos or take a free trial of Epilogue Author.